ಮೇಡಮ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಂದಂತೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with the creative Rangoli. The creative Rangoli we are going to prepare by the help of flowers. So let us learn how to make flower Rangoli. First we required materials are the white color, chalk piece or any material which you can draw on the floor. Then for the green color purpose we are using any green leaves. For yellow color we are using marigold flower. Then for the red color purpose we are using the rose red color. For the white color we are having some flowers, so that we are using. By the help of these color combination, let us make flower rangoli. So whichever design you would like to draw flower rangoli, that design you can plan it in advance. Then you can draw a circle. After that circle, from the circle let us make like a petals. Let us make like a petals. Then we have to draw a lines. If we draw a line, it will be like a petals. Then we have to take it in the form of curved shape. So before going to put a flower rangoli, you have to put your plant on the floor, whichever you have chosen the place. You can choose the entrance also when you are decorating. After that you have to, by using the chalk piece, you have to put a sketch whatever you have planned. So we have to prepare these flowers as a petals. We have to separate it. Let us separate those all petals and keep ready before you put the flower rangoli. So you can make it more creative. You can draw whichever you design you like it. So in this way, so let us put the red color flowers in the center. While you are using the red colors also, while putting the petals, you have to arrange it systematically. It gives the natural look and attractive look. So these all petals you have to spread it over systematically. Then after that we can use the yellow flowers in the center. These we have to take out, spread over, and we have to arrange it very nicely. You have to spread over these flowers systematically. The green color, you have to observe the combination also. Red and yellow, it gives a nice combination. So by the help of the combination knowledge also, you have to apply here. In this way you have to start creating the flower rangoli. These all will help you in a small functions when you are decorating. Even you can use when your festivals are going on, when you are celebrating at home, you can put a flower rangoli. It gives a natural look as well as it gives the attractive look. So in this way let us put the flower rangoli very nicely. After that, in this way we have to fill all these petals. So we are taking here green, yellow color flowers. So yellow red combination, it gives the natural look. In this way we have to fill entire space. The spacing also we have to observe the spacing. Then it should not come out of the area. Whichever you have chosen the area, it should not come out of that area. So in this way, so we have to fill it. For the next we have to use the another color with yellow. What is the color combination? Now red and yellow over. So the next color combination I am taking a very attractive look. So the green color can be arranged very nicely. I have chosen the neem leaves which is available around your surrounding. You can choose. For the green color I have chosen the leaves. So those leaves also how you want you can arrange it. It looks very beautiful, and your flower rangoli also gets the natural look. In this way let us arrange the green color. Explanation.